Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by placing the cursor exactly where the new page must begin. This precision determines pagination. Once the cursor is set, open the Layout tab in Newer Word or the Insert tab in some versions, and choose Breaks. You do this because pressing Enter creates fragile spacing, whereas a page break enforces a true boundary. Make sure to select Page Break from the Breaks menu. This immediately moves following content to the next page and preserves formatting. Now you refine the break type so Word behaves as you expect. If you only need a simple split, pick Page Break. It's fast and consistent. If you need different headers, footers, or margins on the next page, choose Section Break Next Page. That creates a new formatting region. Once done, toggle Show /hide to reveal non-printing characters so you can confirm the break marker is present. Make sure to avoid mixing manual spacing with breaks, because that causes unpredictable layout shifts. Finish by adjusting any headers, footers, and margins after your breaks so the document looks cohesive. You should click into the section and set header/footer or page layout options as needed. If something jumps or extra blank pages appear, show non-printing characters, delete the offending break marker, and reinsert the correct break type. As a quick check, switch to Draft View to inspect and edit complex break structures. This view makes hidden breaks obvious and speeds troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.